If you've ever wondered how businesses are scaling their AI initiatives and ensuring that they deliver real, tangible, and measurable value, the answer lies in MLOps. MLOps combines machine learning with DevOps to manage the entire lifecycle of ML models. It focuses on automating, monitoring, and governing ML model deployment to ensure reliability and scalability. Establishing MLOps helps businesses move from experimentation to delivering consistent and impactful results. It brings together data scientists, developers, and IT operations for a seamless collaboration. It breaks down those silos, facilitating smoother workflows and faster AI deployment. MLOps automates the ML lifecycle, reducing the manual workload for data scientists and engineers. It enables focus on higher value tasks like model optimization and innovation. MLOps also manages complexity as AI initiatives scale, ensuring that models perform reliably across environments. So what are the key components of MLOps? Well, first of all, you have ML deployment. So the challenge here is that deploying ML models in diverse environments with different tools and languages can create friction. The solution is to automate those deployment steps, ensuring a quick and consistent model deployment. For example, it bridges the gap between Python models and application environments by creating deployment pipelines that work across platforms. MLOps also covers model monitoring. Model performance degrades over time due to changes in data patterns or external factors. MLOps provides specialized tools for continuous monitoring of model performance, including data drift and accuracy. For example, say a business detects data drift. Data drift is where the input data going into a model changes over time, maybe due to changes in the environment or the way that people are using the models. Now, this business can then alert the team that they need to retrain the models, including those extra types of data, and ensure continued accuracy. MLOps enables us to automatically measure a variety of accuracy metrics. And then the key piece here is around lifecycle management. The solution is to automate lifecycle management, including version control and model approvals and updates. For example, a business might want to automate the testing of new models against existing models, deploying the best performing model. And this can be a time-consuming process to do manually, but if you automate it, it can be done very efficiently and quickly. Now, ensuring that ML models comply with legal and ethical standards, particularly in regulated industries, can also be a challenge. By using MLOps here, you can automate a governance framework that tracks model lineage and maintains audit trails for data, and enables you to automate tests such as bias in your outputs. For example, in healthcare, we might want to automate compliance with regulations like HIPAA and ensuring that models protect patient privacy. Now, for generative AI in particular, you might want to automate the fine-tuning of your large language models. If you really want to get the best out of generative AI, then continuous fine-tuning will really help you meet those specific business needs and get the best possible outputs. And MLOps supports this by automating the fine-tuning and automating testing of those models and also the deployment of the updated models. For example, you might have a customer support model that is interpreting customer queries. Now, by iteratively including the questions that get asked in the feedback, we can improve that model over time and fine-tune that model to give the best possible outputs, seamlessly integrating those updates into production. Now, when it comes to managing generative AI models, they are complex and require regular updates to stay relevant. And we can automate that retraining process, ensuring the models deliver accurate outputs as new data emerges. For example, if you're using the models for content creation, then you might want to retrain those with evolving trends and automate the update process so that you're not creating out-of-date content. MLOps is essential for any business that wants to take AI seriously. It creates improved collaboration. It breaks down those barriers between data science and IT operations, ensuring the models are both scientifically sound and operationally viable. It creates a faster time to market for your model updates by automating the deployment, monitoring, and lifecycle management, reducing the time to take those models from development into production. It also creates improved model performance because you're continuously monitoring lifecycle management and maintaining that model accuracy and relevance. And it reduces the risk of any problems because automated governance minimizes the risk of deploying faulty or biased models, ensuring compliance and ethical use. So if you're thinking about taking on MLOps, then assess your current ML workflow and identify any areas for automation. Choose an MLOps platform that will integrate well with existing tools and infrastructure. Now, we usually use Google's Vertex AI platform because it's got everything there from the model garden to hosting models and endpoints, and it allows us to do rapid fine-tuning on generative AI models. You want to start by automating critical processes like deployment and monitoring, and then invest in training the data science, IT, and DevOps teams to make sure they get the best out of using those MLOps pipelines. We always make sure that we continuously monitor and refine our MLOps processes. Make sure you start small, automate those few key processes first before expanding to full-scale MLOps, and focus on integration. Ensure that those MLOps tools integrate seamlessly with your existing infrastructure. And we always make sure to engage all relevant stakeholders to align on MLOps goals and ensure that the system meets all of the users' needs. So MLOps is key in transforming how businesses deploy, manage, and scale ML models. Mastering MLOps positions businesses for AI-driven success, turning AI strategies into competitive advantages. If you're looking for more detailed guidance on how to implement MLOps within your organization, then do reach out to the Firney team for support.